In the previous video, we have seen what is recursion. So let us implement Fibonacci series using recursion. So we already know what is a Fibonacci series. As a quick recap, the next Fibonacci number can be found by adding previous two numbers. So we can write the formula for Fibonacci number as like this. Fibonacci of n is equal to Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus Fibonacci of n minus 2. Here we need a base case. So we know the base case as the first Fibonacci number is 0 and the next Fibonacci number is 1. So pause the video and try to implement the Fibonacci series using recursion. If you're not able to solve it, let's solve it together. So I'll call the function as recursive Fibonacci and it will again accept the parameter n. So let us first write our base case. If n is less than 2, that is n is equal to 0 and 1, then we need to return n. That is Fibonacci of 0 is 0 and Fibonacci of 1 is 1. Otherwise, we have the formula recursive Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus recursive Fibonacci of n minus 2. So this is how we can find the nth Fibonacci number. So let me console log and see. So let me find the fifth Fibonacci number, which is 5, and the next one is 8, and the next one is 13. So that is how we can find Fibonacci number using recursion. So let us go ahead and see what is the time complexity of this recursive function. Consider this diagram where we are finding Fibonacci of 7. So to find Fibonacci of 7, we need to first find Fibonacci of 6 and Fibonacci of 5. Again, for Fibonacci of 6, we need to call Fibonacci of 5 and Fibonacci of 4. So as you can see, at every step, the number of function calls are getting doubled. So this one has 1, here 2, it is 4, it is 8. So next step will be 16. So here we have exponential time complexity or big O of 2 raised to n, which is actually bad. In our first case where we did not use recursion, we got the complexity of big O of n. Here it is big O of 2 raised to n. So if we check this cheat sheet, you can see that big O of 2 raised to n is horrible, whereas big O of n is fair complexity. So we can conclude that recursion is not good at all the time. So we need to evaluate the complexity and see whether we need to go for the iterative approach or the recursive approach. So in the next video, we will see how to find the factorial of a number using recursion. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.